Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and it's giving you an error F84 and you're trying to figure out what is an error F84 and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, unfortunately this is not one of the easier fixes. You know, some of these errors, they have real easy fixes. So this one is actually a problem with your circulation pump. So the slide shutter positioning is not correct. And really the only thing to do is to actually replace the circulation pump. But I would recommend before you do that, before you replace the circulation pump, would be to do a hard reset on the machine. So just like a computer that's giving you weird errors or not working right, sometimes on these modern machines just doing a hard reset will get everything working again. So what you want to do is you want to just turn the machine off and cut power to it completely. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired, and leave it off for a full minute. And after that minute's up, you can plug it back in, turn it back on, and run a cycle and see if this error doesn't not come back. And if it doesn't come back, then that's great, you've got it cleared out. Otherwise, you're probably going to need to call the technician to replace the circulation pump. Anyways, hope this video helped you figure out at least what's going on, and thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.